So, the product life cycle is a framework that describes the stages a product goes through from its launch to its eventual decline. Understanding the PLC helps businesses tailor their marketing strategies according to the product stage. So, first is introduction stage. Product is launched, sales are low, profits are negative or minimal due to high marketing and production costs. Example, campaigns, teasers, media features, and partnerships with tech influencers. Growth stage. Rapid sales growth, increasing profits, competitors enters the markets. Example, customer testimonials, enhanced features, eco-friendliness. Maturity stage. Sales peak, marketing saturation, profit stabilize or decline due to price competition. Example, annual updates, discounts, trade-in programs, and loyalty benefits. Decline stage. Sales and profit decline as the product becomes outdated or obsolete. Example, clearance sales, nostalgia marketing. Marketing stages at each stage. Introduction, focus on building awareness, heavy promotions. Growth, expands distributions, differentiate from competitors. Maturity, defend marketing positions through promotions, product improvements. Decline, minimize costs.